Hi everyone, I'm Jay Sennett. Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Jay here in my Jazzy Jay kitchen. Hope all of you are doing well. Cooking with Jay airs Sunday evenings at 6 on the WHRO Public Media Facebook page. Thank you all for watching. Much appreciated. On this edition of Cooking with Jay, a very simple, tasty dish that you make on the grill. It's my Grand Marnier Saigon cinnamon grilled pineapple slices. That's it. I buy this Saigon, I'm not going to tell you the brand, but it's, they use cassia or cassia, I think that's C-A-S-S-I-A, cassia cinnamon. And it is delicious in my opinion, of course. And in this bowl here, I melted some butter, a stick of butter, okay? And I put about 2 tablespoons of Grand Marnier in there, liqueur, the Grand Marnier liqueur, and about a tablespoon of the Saigon cinnamon, okay? Do you have to use Saigon cinnamon? No, you can use your regular cinnamon, whatever cinnamon you like, and fresh pineapple slices. Now I have my grill heating up out there. Want to dredge the pineapples in that liquid, the slices in this liquid. And then we're going to go out to the grill. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Came up with this idea because I love fruit. I'm a fruit addict. I just love fruit. Yes, indeed. All right, a couple more slices. We'll do it. Again, butter, Grand Marnier, and cinnamon. Just in here. Coat these well. And when they're done, I'm going to rub a little bit more of this coating on here. All right. So now that that's done, let's go out to the grill, outside, and start cooking them on the grill. Let's go. All right, coming down to the grill, which has been preheating, all right? I want to open this up. Ooh, that heat. All right, these pineapple that I dredged in butter, Grand Marnier, and Saigon cinnamon on the grill. Now, let these cook on this side for about 5 minutes. I'm going to flip them over for about 5 minutes. So, while these are cooking, we're going to take one of those little editing breaks. You know, it's going to seem like a second. Just a second. I'm going to close this to keep the heat in there. And then we shall be right back. All right, let's look at one side. Let's flip them over. Yeah. Nice grill marks. The right kind of texture. Yeah, just for a few minutes longer. And these pineapple slices, again, these are my, how to describe these? My Grand Marnier Saigon cinnamon grilled pineapple slices. And you don't have to use pineapple. You can use peaches. It's a great side dish if you want to make some corn or potatoes. Put some potatoes on here, some starch. Great complement to chicken. You know, if you want to cook some chicken breast out here, those grilled pineapple slices, that flavor. So there's a sweet quality. Obviously, pineapple is sweet, but with the Grand Marnier and the butter and the cinnamon, it's a great side dish. And they're just going to cook just for about another minute longer, and then we're going to take them off the grill. And I'm going to rub a little bit more of that butter Grand Marnier cinnamon mixture over them, and then we will have some very tasty Grand Marnier Saigon cinnamon pineapple slices, grilled pineapple slices. And my grill, just got my grill, and just cooked a few things out here on the grill. Nothing too fancy yet. You know, I put some corn on the cob here, some fruit, some chicken breast. Haven't made any other meat yet, but I do want to get into some seafood out here, some shrimp, some meaty whitefish like halibut or haddock on the grill. Oh, delicious on the grill, and various other things. Because you know, I love to grill, love to use my grill out here on my back deck, and eating some tasty food. And these pineapple slices, let me take a look at these things right now. Don't want to overcook them. You know, I would say about 50 more seconds and they'll be done. Then we can take them back in and then put some more of that butter sauce over them. And then we're going to have a tasty, very tasty, I don't know if you want to call it a dessert. I don't want to call it dessert, but pineapple slices. So if you're a fruit lover like myself, highly recommend to try this dish. Okay, so let's shut everything down, turn the grill off, and turn the gas off over here. This is a natural gas grill, all right? Okay. Ooh, perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, I don't know if the camera can see this right here. Love it. We're going to go inside, shut this down, go back in, and put some more of that sauce on them. Okay, all right, back from the grill outside, my delicious looking pineapple. Now, we still have this butter, cinnamon Grand Marnier mixture. Let's set these there. Oh yeah. Layer them like such. And the last one. Set this over here. Put some cherries on the plate. There you have my Grand Marnier Saigon cinnamon grilled pineapple slices. Yummy. Very simple to make. Very simple. Preheat your grill. Get a bowl, melt about a stick of butter, okay? Depending on how many slices you want to make. I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices, okay? Just, you know, dice the pineapple, get the skin off the pineapple. I just sliced them whole, straight across, and when you cook them on a grill, it makes that center edible. You know, you can actually eat the center when you put them on that grill, like it softens it up. Then slice. I have about, not quite a ½ inch thick slice, okay? Melt the butter. Then I add about a couple of tablespoons of Grand Marnier. Then I add about a small tablespoon of that Saigon cinnamon, or cinnamon, whatever cinnamon you want to use. Mix well, dredge the pineapple slices in that mixture, then go out and put them on the grill. If the grill's really hot, about 5 minutes each side, okay? 5 minutes each side. When they're done, bring them back in. You can baste a little bit more of that Grand Marnier mixture over the slices, and then they're ready to serve. And they're delicious. You're going to love these. Very simple dish to make, but very, very tasty. That's what's happening on this edition of Cooking with Jay, my Grand Marnier Saigon cinnamon grilled pineapple slices. Great side dish that can complement so many different things. Thanks for watching Cooking with Jay, Sunday nights at 6 on the WHRO Public Media Facebook page. You can see archive programs of the show at the WHRO Public Media YouTube channel. We've done so many of these shows. You can see several of the different shows on the archive shows on the WHRO Public Media Facebook page. Also, don't forget my Senate in Session Jazz show Monday through Thursday nights from 9 until 1, Saturday mornings from 1 until 5 for all you late birds out there, and Sunday afternoons from 1 until 5 on WHRV 89.5, WHRV FM. And I host the R&B Chronicles on Friday nights from 7 until 8. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to send me an email to j.sennett, jae.sinnett@whrv.org. Would always love to know what you think about the show. Also like to know what you're cooking, what kind of tasty dishes you're putting together. Thanks for watching. Be safe out there, friends. We'll see you again soon with another edition of Cooking with Jay. Take care. Hi everyone, Jay Sennett here. Cooking with Jay is now even more jazzy in my new home with my chef's kitchen. I'd love for you to check it out. Join me Sunday evenings at 6 on Facebook at WHRO Public Media. Let's get cooking.